Hey, I'm William, aka Alario. 6 years ago, I started releasing some alien-inspired terrain online. Weird, organic, sometimes creepy, just stuff I loved making. I never thought it would be downloaded millions of times. And I ended up spending over 600 hours on that free set of Fukai scatter terrain. You can still download them for free right now on my website. Some of you used them to build whole tables. Others made and sold prints with my blessing. And then came the same question again and again. When are we getting the full biome, with buildings and real gameplay? So I got back to work. I spent another 300 hours building a full, playable version, Fukai Forest, a complete biome that expands the original free set with a whole system of modular buildings, ruins, and themed assets. As a backer, you get access to everything through my online tools, the City Builder and L-shaped Ruins Builder, where you can preview, select, and download exactly the files you want. They're sorted by floor and optimized for FDM, resin, or hybrid setups, even for small print beds. And for competitive players, there's a full page on my website dedicated to WTC standard terrain, including all the WTC compliant buildings from Fukai Forest and other biomes. You can download and print your full tournament ready table in just a few clicks. Now let's talk props, because that's what makes the table feel alive. For this biome, I've included 166 round and oval bases with magnet slots, toppers, or hollow options. Fukai flowers to decorate your bases while staying playable. 3-inch measuring rulers you can combine into 6 or 9 tools. A modular gateway and ramp system. Creepy bio jars that may or may not be safe to open. A set of 3 treasure chests designed for easy painting. An organic pavement system usable as ground or rooftops. Fukai wound trackers, the ones I use in every game. 40mm objective markers and full objective zones. Large crates for more narrative setups. More scatter terrain, more organic, mostly for resin printing. Interior and exterior pillars designed for RPG players and creative builders. Stairs and ladders to add realistic access points inside or outside buildings. Everything here has been tested and painted by me. I build it like I play with it. It has to be practical, immersive, and fun to paint. This whole project wouldn't exist without the community. Your feedback, your enthusiasm for the free scatter terrain, it's what convinced me to build this new biome. I really wanted to give something back that's bigger, better, and full of potential. So if you love 3D printing, if you play wargames or RPGs, or if you just enjoy building your own world, I hope Fukai Forest inspires you as much as making it inspired me. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building together.